Hi, I've been working on a new project lately. It's a virtual hard drive for DOS PCs running on DOS 2.0 and up. I've been working on it the last few weeks. I've been thinking about it for a few years. Finally got a simple version of it to run last night. I was really excited, so I wanted to create a video to show it to you. We'll start with the server side first. I'm on Windows. I have a simple program written in Go called NetDrive, and we'll be using the 20 megabyte hard drive image I created. Let's fire it up. Okay, server is listening. Let's switch over to DOS. Boot DOS. VirtualBox here is running PC DOS 6.2. If you look at the config sys, you see netdrive.sys. That's the device driver. It'll be a little bit smaller than this when it's done. This gives you a D drive. So the letter is allocated, but there's no drive behind it. There's no storage because we haven't connected it to the network server yet. So let's do that. I have a batch file for that. Batch file sets the mTCP config file, loads a packet driver, and then runs a NetDrive program to tell it to connect drive D to Calculon listening on port 2002 and this file name. So let's do that. And we're connected. And now D is available. D is empty, but you can see it's a 20 megabyte hard drive. Let's create a file. Whoop. That's an invalid command. And there it is, 14 bytes. Check disk is still happy. Let's do something a little bigger. Here's a 179K file. It's here. And it even compares. Okay, cool. And check disk is still happy. If you run Norton Disk Info, it shows you it's a fairly conventional looking hard drive, 512 bytes per sector. Sectors per cluster is a little big because this is FAT12, and to take advantage of a 20 megabyte hard drive, that's how big sectors per cluster has to be. There's one file allocation table, 64 entries in the root directory, and 40,000 sectors total. And now a little bit of magic. We disconnect, and it's gone. We'll just reboot that for now. Now over on the server side, you can see some debug logging. Command 3 is a read. Command 2 is a disconnect, so it's the last thing we had done. Let's take a look inside the virtual hard drive. First you see the boot sector, including the BIOS parameter block for the drive. It's FAT12. Roll down past the reserved sectors, and you can see the beginning of the file allocation table at offset hex 2000. Roll a little bit further, and you can see the root directory with the two files in it. Roll past the root directory, and at offset hex 4000 is where DOS put the first file. Skip 16 more sectors, one cluster, and here's the beginning of the second file at offset 6000. So it seems to be working. And if we restart the server, we can go back over to DOS, reconnect, and behold, our data is still there. Anyway, I'm going to continue working on this for the next few weeks or months, and I'm hoping to have it ready to share with everybody in 2024, early 2024. It's been a really fun project. Learned a lot on device drivers, and I think I'm looking forward to releasing it. So thanks for watching, and talk to you another time.